Cleaning the table. Cleaning the kitchen after breakfast. This breakfast was awesome. We need to cook that every day. Now, who is cleaning the table? Well, you are right. It would be faster if we cleaned together. Let's divide and conquer. You clean the table, wipe it, put away the leftover food, and bring me the dirty dishes. I'll tackle the dirty dishes. Shall we? Let's do it. Okay, first bring me all the dirty dishes so I can start washing them. Then you can put away all the leftover food and wipe the table clean. You will have to put all the leftovers in a bag or a plastic container, Tupperware. Now take this sponge, cloth, and wipe the table clean. Make sure there are no crumbs left. While I am trying to get these burnt pieces off the frying pan, you can go and grab the broom and the dustpan. Sweep around the kitchen. Make sure all the crumbs are swept from the corners and from under the chairs. That won't do, sweetie. You will have to move the chairs out of the way to clean under the table properly. Sweep everything in one pile. Now use the dustpan and sweep the crumbs into it. Do you need me to lend you a hand there? Okay, I'll hold the dustpan and you sweep everything into it. Then toss it all into the trash can. Well done! Now I have to get back to my dirty dishes. You want to help me with that too? Oh, you're such a good helper. Okay, I'll wash, you dry. Here we go. Oh man, these burnt pieces are still not coming off. I tried to scrub them, but it just doesn't work. I guess I'll have to let the frying pan soak overnight and then clean it. Well, everything looks spotless. Good work, partner. We make a good team.